this is Sam, the Frugal Hugel Gardener. I just went ahead and set up my sugarcane press on a bench that I went ahead and made from a scrap pile. I went ahead and made a nice stand for my sugarcane machine to be on it so it doesn't slide around. I got some sugarcane over here, and I'm going to go ahead and see how the machine works on the table. Now, the video before this, I'm showing how to clean the sugarcane. Check out that video because you got to clean it before you go ahead and juice it. Now, with the machine, I'm going to go ahead and press the juice out. So I got it on a table, and I went ahead and hooked up the nozzle, the spigot nozzle over here. So whatever goes down into that screen will go down the tube and go into a gallon jug. That way you don't have to empty this out like every sugar cane or every 3 little pieces of sugar cane. Because if you don't pay attention to that, it will overflow. So I think it's pretty cool to have a hose, a new clean hose attached to it that's going to drain it as you go ahead and process it. Okay, so with that said, let's see how this little machine works. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is on your sugarcane, you want to go ahead and make it on an angle so it wedges in and pulls through. So just take something and give it a cut, just like that. That will make it go in easier. Now, you don't have to do that, but it would probably help. Okay, so I'm going to take the sugarcane and I'm going to go ahead and put it in the press like this. And it should go through real nicely. So let's check it out. Okay, so this was a nice long piece. I'm going to go ahead and put it through one more time. Okay, that worked out good. And now you could go ahead and watch it come out as I crank it. Just like that. Okay, so I'm going to put one more through, and then you could watch the juice hopefully come down right there. See it dripping as I'm turning? Gonna go ahead and flip it over and put it through one more time. See more juices coming out the second time through. Now let's see what happens if I fold it and put it through a third time. See if there's more juice coming out. Okay, a little bit more is coming out, not that much more. So you could put it through 3 times. I think 2 worked out good. You can see this makes good compost now. There's no more in there. Now, okay, so you can see a few pieces in here made this overflow. So I'm going to turn this and let's see if you can see some come out right there. Watch. There it is. You see it coming out? And it's going down in there. And you can see it coming out right here. See it went down? It's still flowing out a little bit right there. Okay, so it's working good. So let's check it out. I'm going to close this. Actually, it's still flowing out. I'm going to let it finish flowing. I'm watching it. There it is. That was the last of it. Okay, so here's the jug that was down there. Let's pour some in, see what it looks like. Okay, so it's looking good. Ooh, nice taste. Now I want to show you something as far as color goes. You see how dark that is? Now what I'm going to do in a minute is I'm going to cut the lemon up and I'm going to put some lemon in here and see if there's a color difference. But first, let me enjoy. Ooh, that tastes good. Whew. Now, this smells good and it tastes good. And you can see all the particles stayed up there. I'll show you that in a minute. And there's no particles in here. That's a lot to drink real fast, I'll tell you that. Super sweet, super delicious, but I'd rather have an ice cube in it and go slow. And since it's in the 40s today, this is actually cold. So 2 pieces made a full glass. Okay, so I'm going to go rinse everything out and then we're going to do it with the lemon and see if there's a difference. Okay, so you can see everything that it caught. So it's good to have the screen on. Okay, so everything's clean. I'm going to take this lemon and cut it. smells awesome. I'm going to put a little bit in here. And I'm going to go ahead and put some in the tray right here. So I got that in place, and this time I'm leaving that open, so when I juice it, it goes down. Okay, so let's go ahead and juice this. Okay, let's go ahead and put it in again. Let's go ahead and do one more piece. Okay, let's go ahead and put it through one more time. Okay, and this is what it looks like coming out the backside. Okay, so let's go ahead and see what it's like now. Make sure all this is out. You can see everything it caught, so you got to have this on. Okay, so here's the juice. Okay, we put a lemon in this one. Look at the color. It did not change color. You see that pink? Purplish pink? That's how it should be. Now, if you took this in a gallon jug, put the cap on, which I'm going to do, put it in your freezer or a chest freezer, it'll turn to ice. Then when you're ready to use it, you move it to your refrigerator and you could drink it. If you put it in smaller ice bottles, or if you put it in smaller water bottles, it will work. If you put it in ice cube trays, it will work. Okay, even though this is more clear, it still tastes the same, but I could taste the lemon. I like the lemoniness taste to it. It's almost like lemonade, but I only put a little bit in there. If I put a lot, this would probably be a lemonade drink. This is delicious. Look at that color. Look at the foam on top. This is beautiful. It's awesome. I love it. Now, yesterday, the video before this, I did a harvesting video, and for the first time, I set up my press, and I went ahead and pressed some and drank it. So this is my second day in a row I'm drinking this, and I was still experimenting. I wanted to show you without the lemon and with the lemon. I also have some limes, but I thought the lemon would be nice because I love lemonade. But if you like lime juice better, go for it. But definitely use fresh and whole. I don't think you should use the bottle type. I already drank a whole glass, so I'm going to take the remainder of this, bring it inside and put it in the refrigerator for later when I'm thirsty, because I have a lot of work to do out here. I got to go harvest some bananas and do a harvesting video and bring those inside, clean all this up and put it away. Even though I got a lot more I need to go ahead and squeeze. I got a whole bin over there, and I got a whole long row over there yet to be cut down. Okay. So here you have it. If you liked my video, give me a like, it'll help out my channel. Give me a share, it'll help out my channel. Subscribe to my channel and you'll see all my upcoming videos that I do. Some will be bad, some will be okay. You're sure to have something that you're going to enjoy, so hey, why not subscribe? Come on over to my Facebook group. The link is in the description below. I hope you enjoyed.